Hi guys, thank you for inspiring me every day. Thank you kasi super strong yung apat and as I know na simula pa lang natin to and meron pa tayong maraming memories na magagawa and super daming unforgettable moments with you and Pearls and sana tuloy-tuloy na yung pagkikita natin palagi.
Hi, Press and Play! We just want to wish you all the success in your career and with your upcoming events. And no matter what happens, through your ups and your downs, nandito lang palagi ang Pearls to cheer you on. Dahil kayo din yung lakas namin. And we can also be your strength in the upcoming milestones in your life. Thank you!
Hi, Press and Play! Thank you sa palaging paggawa ng mga bagong music and can't wait to hear any more music from you. Tsaka from now, I promise na magiging pearl na ako until sa maraming pangganap. Yun lang.
Hi, Press Hit Play! Gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi na kayo mag-isa sa inyong paglalakbay. Kasi nandito ako palagi at ang mga Pearls, handa kayong samahan at supportahan all the way. Always choose to be happy, aim high and hit the mark. Alam nyo yan, kaya nyo ma-reach yung goals nyo and dreams nyo in life. Happy 3rd anniversary!
Happy 3rd anniversary, Press It Play! We love you! Happy 3rd anniversary, Press It Play! We love you!
Happy 3rd anniversary, Press and Play!